Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at a powerful networking solution, the Amazon eero PoE Gateway, a unique device that combines a high-performance router and a PoE network switch into one compact system. This device features 10 Ethernet ports in total, including 2 ultra-fast 10 GB ports and 8 2.5 GB PoE Plus ports. The 10 GB ports are perfect for connecting to a high-speed modem or backbone network, while the 2.5 GB ports provide both data and power for devices like access points, security cameras, or VoIP phones. One of its biggest advantages is power over Ethernet support. With the included 140-watt power supply, the gateway can deliver up to 100 W of pooled PoE power, meaning you can run multiple PoE devices directly from this unit without needing a separate PoE switch. In terms of performance, the gateway supports wired network speeds up to about 9.4 gigabits per second, making it ideal for multi-gig internet connections and demanding network environments like smart homes, small offices, or professional installations. It's also designed to work seamlessly with the eero ecosystem, powering and connecting multiple eero PoE access points to build a reliable mesh network throughout a home or business. Setup is guided through the eero mobile app, which lets you monitor devices, manage ports, and keep your network secure with automatic updates. Another great feature is that it reduces the need for extra networking hardware. Since it combines a router and PoE switch in one device, you can simplify your network setup while still getting enterprise-level connectivity and management. Overall, the Amazon eero PoE Gateway is a powerful backbone device for anyone building a high-speed wired network with PoE devices. It delivers multi-gig performance, flexible connectivity, and smart network management in one streamlined unit. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching.